Today we're going to show you my version of fresh mango salsa. The taste is wonderful and way better than the mango salsa that you can buy in the supermarket. In one bite, you can taste the sweetness from the mango, the strong flavor from the cilantro and jalapeno, and it all combines so well with the creamy avocado to create this mildly sweet and spicy, wonderful flavor together. For our version of mango salsa, you'll need 1 ripe mango, 1 ripe avocado, half a lemon, 1 spring onion, 1 tablespoon of pickled jalapeno, and a bunch of cilantro. First, we're going to juice half of a lemon and leave the juice in the bowl. Then, chop off the green onion root and cut them into small pieces. We replaced onion, which is used in most salsa recipes, with spring onion. It's because I felt the raw onion's flavor is pretty harsh and overwhelming. Spring onion has a mild, oniony taste that better suits this recipe. Add the green onion into the lemon juice and stir well. We're going to cut off the 2 mango cheeks. The middle section does not have much fruit, so I just eat this core directly. Then we're going to hold the mango face down and remove the skin. We're going to split this cheek piece by cutting horizontally, so we will have 2 layers, and then cut them into strips, and then dicing it into small pieces. Next, cut the avocado, spin the knife, and use your hand to twist and split it in half. Use the knife to cut the inside, and use a spoon to take the fruit out. Mix everything well in a bowl. The lemon juice will prevent the avocado from oxidizing early. Next, chop 1 tablespoon of pickled jalapeno. Instead of using fresh jalapeno like other salsa recipes, we chose to use pickled jalapenos. This is because I think it not only brings the spicy taste, but also has a more subtle and complex flavor, which really adds a depth to the flavor of the salsa. But the pickled jalapeno is less spicy, so if you like spicy salsa, still use the fresh jalapenos, or even habanero. If you don't like spicy at all, you can also use bell peppers. Next, we're going to take the cilantro and chop off the stems into small pieces. And then roll the cilantro leaves up and chop them. We have all the ingredients in a bowl now. The final step, we're going to add a pinch of salt to season the salsa and mix it well. The mango avocado salsa goes so well with tortilla chips. It is my all-time favorite tortilla dipping salsa. I also like it with grilled seafoods, grilled salmon, shrimp. It's perfect for a summer barbecue night. This salsa is so delicious, all of my family members liked it, and we never have leftovers. Voila, that's the mango avocado salsa recipe. I hope you like it. If you want to see more recipes in the future, please subscribe to us and attack that bell button so that you know when we will post new future content.